Heptacodium miconioides information. Heptacodium miconioides, also known as seven sunflower, is a deciduous shrub or small tree native to China. It belongs to the honeysuckle family, Caprifoliaceae, and is grown as an ornamental plant in many parts of the world. Here are some key features of Heptacodium miconioides. Growth habit. Heptacodium miconioides typically grows 15 to 20 feet tall and 10 to 15 feet wide, with a vase-like or rounded shape. It has a moderate growth rate. Leaves. The leaves are ovate to elliptic, 2 to 6 inches long, and dark green in color. They turn yellow in the fall before dropping. Flowers. The flowers are small, creamy white, and fragrant. They are borne in terminal clusters that resemble a panicle, or branching structure. Fruit. The fruit is a small, dry capsule that contains numerous small seeds. Bark. The bark is exfoliating and reveals a cinnamon brown inner bark, which provides winter interest. Growing conditions. Heptacodium miconioides prefers full sun to partial shade and well-drained soil. It is tolerant of a range of soil types and pH levels. It is hardy in USDA zones 5 to 9. Uses. Heptacodium miconioides is commonly grown as an ornamental plant for its attractive foliage, fragrant flowers, and interesting bark. It is suitable for use as a specimen plant, in mixed borders, or as a hedge. It is also attractive to bees and butterflies. Overall, Heptacodium miconioides is a hardy and attractive plant that is well suited for a variety of garden settings.